guys, welcome back to another video. Now we are building the boat, but let's just see. This is what we're going to do. We're going to make the newest boat, but the boat is with upgrades. Wait, I'm not yet sure. Not yet sure with this. No, it's hangy. Hangy. Yes, now I can delete them. There. Eureka. Oh, wrong. Oh, wrong. Okay, let's put 4 blocks there. Wait, I think I did 5. Wait, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2. Alright. Now that's deal with. Here we go. Oh no! There we go. Oh shoot! I did. Guys, let's go in first person mode. So there we go. Now we're fully in first person mode. Just going to put some lanterns. Now going back. No, this is wrong. Okay, there we go. There we go. There. No, shoot. There. Here we go. Now, oh. There. Just the newest boat, but with upgrades. There. It's like car, but different car. But we're not making a car. Okay, guys, this we're nearly finishing our new boat. Just putting there. Oh, the button should be lying down. Next button. The next we're going to put there and there. Okay, let's see if it's the same. Okay, it's the same, guys. Yeah, we're nearly done. So let's add some steering wheel. This is not steering wheel. What do you call this? Forgot. Don't mind. Where's my chair up? Where's my chair up? My chair is up. What the flip? There we go. Let's see. This has no defense. Just only little defense. But like nearly a noob car. Wait. Where's my flag? I need speed. I don't need slowness. I hate slowness. Okay, there we go. Now let's go. New boat. Guys, see, others are like so big. Mine is just so small. Now let's see if this new boat, because most of my boats are very, very big. Then I'm making it like a big car. But this one is like so little. But this has upgrades, guys. So it's only 1, 2. Wait, let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to count different blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I just used 7. 7 things. So we're moving. Guys, we're... No, guys, one of my lantern's gone. No. How could this happen to me? I'll make my mistakes. I've nowhere to run, but life goes on. Never mind, I won't sing that. Bye-bye. Joke, I'm not saying bye-bye now. Set sail for the 1990s. Why are we even going to the 1990s, by the way? Wait, my flagpole's gone? Immediately? Oh my god. Shut up. Shut up, me. Come on. Don't let the... No! It died. Everything died. Guys, I hope there's no boulders coming down, because that would be such a bad thing. Now we have only one flagpole, which is very, very bad. And I'm driving backwards. Wow. What? Don't have any more one of my buttons. How can I play? How can I play music notes? No! Boulders! Boulders! I'm not talking about the transformer boulder. No, my flag. No, I don't think that's a flag, but I don't know. But boulders! Guys, if you're thinking that I'm saying transformers, you're wrong. Guys, if you haven't watched my video, if you haven't watched some of my videos, and you're just new to my channel, please subscribe and hit that like button, even that notification bell button. My steal is going on. They're not killing. Oh wait, no, he died. He died. No, so many died. Why am I saying die? Guys, army mateys, I don't have any more both of my burns. How can I play music notes? Bye-bye. Guys, some got damaged, but not all. So we're still lucky. No, we're checking under the boat. No, guys, this is the bad thing. This is the bad thing. Good thing I brought steel. Not rust. Rust me mateys. Not rest me mateys. No! Don't take off my seat. Yes. Steel. Steel is the best. Yay, boy! Get wrecked! Oh. No, guys. Guys. No. You might abandon ship. What the? No! Guys, abandon ship. I don't even have my hat anymore. Don't even have my hair. I'm hairless. No! Guys, we just got 45 gold. It's hard to get 45 gold with new boats. So, I think that's it for now. Bye-bye, guys. Bye. Please hit that subscribe and like.